Did you know that only a handful of the 1953 Chevrolet Corvettes exist today, making it one of the rarest and most sought-after American sports cars in history? That's right. If you're a car enthusiast, or just someone who loves a good underdog story, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Trust me, this isn't just a car, it's a legend. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette, a car that didn't just launch a legendary line of sports cars, but forever changed the landscape of American automotive design. This wasn't just another car off the assembly line, it was a bold experiment, a vision of what American performance could be. Ready to discover why this rare beauty is still turning heads decades later? Let's jump in. Let's rewind to 1953, when Chevrolet decided to take a gamble and enter the sports car market. It was a daring move, especially for a company known for its family cars and trucks. The Corvette was their first crack at creating a true American sports car, but with that ambition came a fair share of challenges. Here's the surprising part, they only produced 300 units in that first year. Yes, just 300, why so few? The main reason was that Chevrolet was still ironing out the kinks in producing a car so radically different from anything else on the road. The Corvette's revolutionary fiberglass body presented manufacturing challenges, and initial public reception was lukewarm at best. Some loved the sleek, futuristic design, but others weren't sold on the idea of a car made from anything other than steel. This uncertain debut, paired with the incredibly limited production, set the stage for the Corvette to become one of the rarest cars ever made. Imagine owning one of only 300, it's the ultimate collector's dream. Now, let's break down what made the 1953 Corvette so special, starting with its game-changing design. The most striking feature: that lightweight fiberglass body. In an era when steel was king, the use of fiberglass was nothing short of revolutionary. It allowed for a caviar, more aerodynamic design, setting the Corvette apart from anything else on the road. This was cutting-edge tech at the time and set the tone for future innovations in car manufacturing. Under the hood, the 1953 Corvette was powered by a 235 cubic inch inline-six engine, dubbed the Blue Flame. While it cranked out just 150 horsepower, which might sound modest by today's standards, it packed a punch for a car that light. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this setup delivered a driving experience that felt raw, sporty, and completely different from the heavy sedans of the era. Inside, the Corvette didn't skimp on style either. Its two-tone interior gave it a sporty, high-end feel, while the bucket seats and dashboard layout put the driver at the center of the action. For 1953, this was a glimpse into the future of American sports cars, a blend of performance and style that would inspire generations to come. The Corvette's road to stardom wasn't immediate, but the tide began to turn in 1954, after some key improvements. Word started to spread, and people began to appreciate what Chevrolet was offering. The Corvette was more than just a car, it was a symbol of American innovation and ambition. That newfound recognition sparked a wave of interest in these early models, especially the ultra-rare 1953 editions. Today, the 1953 Corvette stands as one of the most coveted collector's items in the automotive world. With only a few of the original 300 still in existence, these cars have fetched prices well over $1 million at auctions. That's the kind of value that only comes with a blend of rarity, historical significance, and timeless design. The Corvette may have had a rocky start, but it quickly cemented itself as an icon in American culture, and the 1953 model is where it all began. In short, the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette is more than just a rare car, it's a piece of history. With its limited production, revolutionary design, and lasting impact on American sports cars, this Corvette became a legend in its own right. It may have started as a gamble for Chevrolet, but it evolved into a symbol of American ingenuity, style, and performance. For car enthusiasts, the 1953 Corvette is the ultimate collector's dream and a cornerstone of automotive history. If you loved learning about the 1953 Corvette, you're going to want to stick around for our upcoming deep dives into other iconic American muscle cars. What's your favorite classic car? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest automotive stories. See you in the next video.